in this video, I'm going to cover what is the exact difference between a digraph and a diphthong. So I am going to give you more than 4 reasons to believe that digraph is based on certain other points and diphthong is based on certain other points. So if you are really excited to know the difference between a digraph and a diphthong, then this video is for you. Don't lose the video in between, else you won't be able to understand the clear difference between the digraphs and the diphthongs. So hi, this is Shweta Gupta. I welcome you to my channel. Let's quickly begin the video. Let us quickly see the first difference between a digraph and a diphthong. A diphthong is one vowel sound formed by the combination of 2 vowel sounds. So I've highlighted this vowel sounds. So whenever the vowel sounds join in together so as to give you one more sound, then that is what is known as a diphthong. But a digraph is one vowel sound formed by the combination of 2 letters. So there is a clear difference between diphthong and a digraph. Many people ask me the difference between a digraph and a diphthong, and they get confused with why certain combination is a digraph and why the other one is a diphthong. So this is the very first clear difference between a digraph and a diphthong. Diphthong is made out of 2 vowel sound combination and digraph is made out of 2 vowel letters combination. So this is at the grapheme level and this is at the phoneme level. This is at the writing level that you see and this is at the sound level that you hear. So what is the crux? Digraphs are 2 letters and diphthongs are 2 sounds. So let us deep delve into what is digraph and what is diphthong with the help of its definition. So you all know what is di. I had explained in my previous videos also that di means anything which is 2. So whenever you are talking about 2 graphs, that means at the grapheme level, at the writing level, it gives rise to digraph. That means 2 letters that are at the written level. Then you form a digraph. What is phthong that we had seen in this previous video? Phthong means any sound. So whenever 2 sounds join in together, they give rise to diphthong. So it's very clear. 2 graphs, 2 letters give rise to digraph and 2 sounds giving you some other sound gives rise to diphthongs. Simple, easy. Now let us quickly see the differences. Difference number 1. A diphthong begins with 1 vowel sound and glides onto the inner. That we had discussed in the digraph video also, that there is one gliding sound, the elongated one, and it depends upon the other short sound. But the first sound is much longer and stronger than that of the second one. For example, oi, ow. So the first one is the elongated one. So they are sometimes called as the gliding vowels also. But digraph does not glide and it is a straight sound. Digraphs never glide, like E, it never glides. So that means whenever you are talking about digraphs, they will never glide. But if you are talking about diphthongs, they will glide. Let us quickly see the difference number 2. The difference number 2 says that diphthong is always a vowel sound, but digraph may be a vowel or a consonant also. So we had seen in this previous video that we have consonant digraphs and we have the vowel digraphs. But diphthongs are always vowel sounds. They are never the consonant sounds. So what does my difference number 3 says? Are you eager to see this? But first you need to subscribe my channel and before that you need to like and share too. So let us see my rule number 3. It says put 2 fingers on either side of your mouth like this. Now say the sound. If I say oi, oi, is your finger moving? Yes. Is your mouth moving? Yes. Then this is a diphthong. But if your mouth is not moving, then that may be a digraph. Say the vowel sound as in a, like in and. The mouth is not at all moving. The fingers are not at all moving. And your fingers will stay in the same position because your mouth doesn't move. But what happens next? The same thing happens with most of the vowel sounds. Yes, a, e, o, Here in each and every sound, the mouth is not at all changing. Yes, whenever you are changing the sound, it is changing, but while saying that sound, the mouth is not at all gliding, or it is not changing your position. But if you say the vowel sounds like oi, ow, so in one sound only, while saying only one sound, the position of the mouth changes, and that is why it is a diphthong. The third very clear difference between a digraph and a diphthong is that digraphs are never the gliding sounds. The mouth position never changes. But in diphthongs, the mouth position changes. If you put two fingers at the corner of your lips, you will feel that yes, the fingers are moving, as in oi, e, oi, o, a. So we have total 8 diphthongs with us, and we are quickly going to see those diphthongs also. Now let us see the point number 4, and it's really very important. Some of the diphthongs may be represented by 2 letters, which are digraphs, may be represented by 3 letters, which are trigraphs, and even quadrigraphs also. That means a digraph is a diphthong, a trigraph is a diphthong, a quadrigraph may be a diphthong, but not all diphthongs will be digraphs or trigraphs. So this is the relationship because of the presence of the sounds. So for example, 2-letter digraphs as diphthongs, oi, oi. So oi and oy, they will be considered as digraph also because of the presence of 2 letters giving you one sound. But they will also be called as diphthong because here not only 2 letters are joining in, but 2 sounds are also joining in. And that is why few of the 2-letter digraphs are diphthongs. Similarly, few of the 3-letter trigraphs are also diphthongs, like IGH giving you I sound, ear, a. This one also gives you a sound, ear sound. Similarly, ear sound and air sound also given by ERE. 4-letter quadrigraphs also become the diphthongs, like AIGH giving you A sound. This also gives you A sound. This also OUH also gives you the sound of O. So it means that 2 letters join in together, 3 letters join in together, and 4 letters also join in together to give you 2 different sounds, or maybe some other different sounds. So 2-letter digraph may be a diphthong, 3-letter trigraph may be a diphthong, and 4-letter quadrigraph may also be a diphthong, but the vice versa is not at all true. So which sounds are actually diphthongs? How will we understand and how are we going to differentiate? We have 3 main sectors so as to understand the diphthongs and how it is different from digraphs. Let us see the first point. 3 diphthongs glide towards the schwa sound, that is a sound, that is the invisible, unhearable vowel sound, as in ear, a sound, air, a sound, pure, a sound. So here 3 diphthongs are ending in a sound, and that is why it will be called as ending towards schwa sound. So 3 diphthongs towards schwa. Let us see 3 diphthongs which glide towards the e sound, as in a, re, ai giving you a sound, ay giving you a sound. Similarly, long I, as in coin, oi, oi. Can you hear that a sound here? That is why 3 of the diphthongs are there which end towards the a sound, long I sound, and that is why these 3 also will be under the diphthongs. So 3 categories are there. The first one which ends towards schwa, the second one which ends towards the long I, and the third one which glides towards the oo sound, as in mouth, ow, ow, oo sound. So OU giving you ow sound, OW giving you ow sound, and OA gives you the O sound. So were you able to connect with these 3 types of the diphthongs? One which ends towards schwa, 3 diphthongs. One which ends towards long I, 3 diphthongs. And one which ends towards the oo sound, double O oo sound. We have 2 here. So that means in total we have 8 diphthong sounds, but these 8 diphthongs may have many graphemes. So when to teach these diphthongs to the children? The basic diphthong oi, and ow must be taught at the very basic level of the 42 sound teaching to the children. But the next graphemes, the multiple graphemes, the alternative spellings must be taught to the children once they have learned appreciable amount of reading and writing. They are towards their grade 1 or grade 2 where they can learn the alternative spelling. So if you like this video and if you have understood what is the difference between a digraph and a diphthong, please like, subscribe and share and pass it to your friends also. If you also have any doubt, if you also have any spelling rule query, you may write it in the comment box below and I will be very quick in giving you the answer. Signing off now, this is Shweta Gupta. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.